Hi everyone. So unfortunately our baby Isabella has gotten a little bit of a flathead, so I wanted to do a video of the different things that we are doing to fix this. So some of the things that we're doing is she obviously sleeps on her back throughout the whole night. So she goes to bed at 8 p.m. and she wakes up usually at 7 a.m. in the morning, and she sleeps all night. I think that attributed unfortunately to her flathead. As you can see, I mean, it's pretty flat. So what I'm doing right now is during the day when she wakes up, she does not lay on her back unless I'm changing her diaper. I mean, I am holding her all day. That's one thing I'm doing. Another thing that I'm doing is when she's like laying down, because she gets tired of me holding her actually. She's not a baby that likes to be held, I don't think. So I'll lay her on the side, and I bought this pillow from Amazon that you can see here. And it's been really helpful because it helps her, like she can like kind of like lean back a little bit, but her head's still like on the side, so she's not getting that pressure on the back. Another thing that we got is this other pillow that I put it on her car seat. Like if we know she's gonna be in the car seat for a long time, like if you're gonna go on a road trip or something, I am going to put that on her back and see if that works. And then also when she takes her naps during the day, she's taking them on her tummy. So it took her a while to get used to sleeping on her tummy. She actually didn't like it at all, her tummy. She fights it a little bit, but she's gotten used to it now and she actually likes it. But I'll put her on her tummy and she started being like, ah. And so I'll put her a pacifier and just kind of like go shh and try to calm her. And I'll let her fuzz a little bit because I prefer her fuzzing than when she's 18 years old and she tells me, Mom, why did you not let me cry instead of me having a flathead? So we're doing that as well. And like I said, I'm holding her every minute of her wake time now. I am holding this baby. And when I go to the store, I'll have a baby carrier and I carry her. So I hope her head gets better, but she is 11 weeks now. So that's this side. This side is not as bad, but this other side, you'll see it's flatter. Oh, my baby. Look. So she just has a flat head and it's so sad because she's so beautiful. But so that's what we're doing, and hopefully it works. But I'm gonna make another video later on with an update.